Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. This is your girl Trend Laura. If you're new or you're just passing by for the first time, hi and welcome. It's a channel that talks about skincare and lifestyle. So, in the spirit of lifestyle, I want to tell you guys how you can smell fresh the whole day in the heat. Okay, this is Africa, and this part of Africa, we know it's really hot. Even though here in Delta State in Warri, it rains legit like every day, and it's been raining for some time, and it's been raining every day and heavily. But yeah, it's still hot. Nigeria is very hot. So I'm going to be telling you guys how you can stay fresh and smell very fresh and clean for 24 hours in a day. Like all time, 247 smelling fresh and all that. So let's get right into this video. So yeah, everybody talk about skincare. I want my skin to be fine. I want to look posh. I want to look this. I want to look that. Yeah, you can look that, but what if you're not smelling nice? What if you're not smelling? You cannot just be a fine girl on the street and then you're not smelling nice. You're not smelling good. You don't look clean and fresh. What's the essence? Yeah. So today I'm going to be giving you guys some few tips. I'm going to share to you guys what you guys can do to smell fresh and stay fresh all day long. Okay, so my number one is laundry. Yeah, have you ever noticed? I don't know if you've noticed it, but yeah, some people's clothes they don't even need perfume. They just really smell very, very fresh. Like you can pick out the dress, oh, I'm wearing this, and that dress already has a very great smell. So there are ways you can actually smell really nice without even using perfume. Okay, well, let me just go. You're going to use perfume, but let me just tell you this part. So, doing your laundry. Laundry to me is number one. And when you're doing your laundry, either you're using washing machine or you're using your hands to wash, get a very good detergent that has perfume, that has really great smell. They sell them a whole lot in ShopRite, in any supermarket. They are detergents that have really, really great perfumes that you can use in washing your clothes. Some people do soak their clothes for a while and wash it the next day, while some just put it in the washing machine and add the powders. There's a powder, there is a liquid to it, so you can add it in your soap in the clothes to wash. And once after washing it, for the rinsing parts, there are also perfume after wash perfumes or after wash detergent or after wash freshness. So this after wash, they do sell them as well in the supermarket, so you can get them. And most of them are not expensive, so you just get it. And normally, if you're using your hand, what you do is wash. You don't just wash one dress and then rinse one dress and go and hang. No, usually we wash and then put in the water, right? For those using hands and all that. So the water you're going to use to rinse, add this detergent perfume or this after wash perfume in that the clothes you're about to rinse and hang. So it's just soak it in for like 5 minutes before you rinse and then hang. These things put perfume in the clothes and leave it for a very long time. Even when clothes is dried, you fold and you keep. After 1 week, after a month, you can even bring that dress out and it's still smelling very, very nice. Like my friend does this very well and her clothes are always smelling lovely. Like you feel fresh, you will feel really, really great. So smelling good for your clothes, that laundry, it gives you this confidence. There's something about smelling good. It gives you this confidence. It has this boost. I don't know what it is. I can't even explain it, but when you're smelling good, you're smelling good. You have this confidence. There's this charisma that thing gives. You understand? Okay. So yeah, that one is there. So the next thing I'm going to be talking about is shower. Make sure you bathe 2 times a day. Some people don't even like to bathe at all. Make sure you bathe 2 times a day so that you will not have body odor. There are some people that have body odor. When they come to where you are, it's like you should throw up. It's so bad. Like, it's really crazy. And then bathe 2 times a day. Make sure you're washing the areas that needs to be washed very, very well. Okay, your arm, your underarms, your down there, both side. You get your ears, your neck. Make sure you're washing it very, very well. Make sure you get good soap. And also, there are some soap or body wash you get that have this lovely fragrance. Most of them cannot might be natural fragrance like essential oils and all that, while some can just be like artificial fragrance. So just look for the scent. Dove has a very amazing one that is really, really nice. So other product also have this very great lotion, body wash or body soap that has really great fragrance. I know I watch, American movies, and then they do, you smell really nice. What did you use? And then they'll say soap. Guys, their soap do smell really, really nice. So you can get a very good soap that smells nice and all that. I have friends that put, and I'm guilty of it because I do it once in a while, that put essential oil in their bathing water just to make sure that they get that smell. Their body locks in that smell. You can put a lavender rose. A lot of people even soak themselves in rose water just to like soak in rose petals just to get that scent, and then it does help also with the skin. So learn to shower, learn to wash every part of your body very, very well, especially down there, your armpit, your under bust. I did a video on the under bust, how you can wash and so you don't have smell. Okay, learn to change your underwear very regularly. Change it well, okay? Don't wear one thing for like 1 year. Learn to change and learn to buy new things, even if it's the cheaper ones, learn to buy. So the next one is shaving. Learn to shave your underarms as well, because if the hair is growing there, it leads to heat, and then you start sweating and bacteria is going to build up, which brings odor. And learn to shave down there as well. When you're shaving down there, exfoliate first and then you shave downwards like this, and then the sides, you shave like this. Okay, and wash it very well and moisturize it, or make sure it's actually very dried, because if it's not dried, it tends to build up odor. That will be for another video. So yes, shave and then scrub. When you're scrubbing your body, don't forget to scrub your underarm as well, and don't forget to scrub down there as well. So the next one is hair. There's something about hair. Like most times I just sit and I'm like, my hair stinks, and people are like, but I'm not smelling anything. It's my hair. You get, it's my hair. I know when my hair is smelling. I always say my hair smells like sickness. I always say that my hair smells like sickness, and they'll be like, "You're the only one smelling this thing." No, I'm not smelling it. I'm like, you don't have to tell me that my hair is smelling. I'm very conscious when it comes to things like that, and I know my hair is smelling. Trust me, once I smell that, I don't stay. I wash my hair. I wash my hair very, very well. And now there are hair perfumes that they sell. You can get hair perfumes, you can get hairspray after washing your hair. You can just get hair perfume or hairspray. And then there are some very nice hair creams as well that has a very, very nice smell. So you can use that on your hair as well. Yes, there are hair perfumes, there are hairspray. There's hairspray, there's hair perfume. So you can pick either one to use for your hair. It works absolutely very, very well and divine. So, and then all this packing of products, one thing that I don't do is packing products in my hair. Let's be real. Those things just make your hair tend to itch and smell. And people just, oh, it's going to make my hair long. If you don't have hair that grow, your hair is not going to grow. Forget all those things. There are some people that are just blessed with naturally long hair, while some are not blessed with that. The same product you're using and then you're saying, oh, my hair is growing. Somebody else can use it and then the person's hair is not going to grow. So just use something simple. I cut my hair every year and I just use just something very simple. I think it's that coconut something lotion and cream, hair cream I just use. And my hair is doing perfectly well. Like I cut my hair every year, and this is the hair I wrapped, and you can see. So make sure you wash your hair and don't overpack products in your hair, because it's going to lead to smell. So if you feel your hair smelling, wash it. Or if you can't hug somebody, and especially like us, our like short, and then the person is like, oh, and they're smelling your hair, like, no. Okay, no, guys, no. Okay, so the next one I'm going to be talking about is spray body perfume. So body perfumes are very, very essential. You don't need to go, you know, above and start buying expensive things. Yes, if you're privileged to do that, fine. If you're not privileged to do that, they are actually cheaper perfumes that are very nice. Like they smell like the expensive ones right now. I talked about this in my previous video. I think it's my other channel, how to smell like $1,000,000 even when you are broke. Yes. So there are some, like there's a place in Delta Mall. They sell these very great perfumes, and then they have this place where you can test the perfumes and see there are so many nice perfumes, and they are cheap, and they come in different sizes. They have from cheap to very expensive, and these ones they have smell like if you use it, you're going to smell like you're using Coco Chanel and all those expensive perfumes. Like they have very little ones they do sell, and they are very cheap. You can get them from like 2,400 and above. So you can check them out. Invest in like perfumes that will make you smell like $1,000,000, because smelling good, well, I say it's good business, or yeah, smelling good boost your confidence a lot. Like you'll be free to hug people. You're not scared to be in public where people are, and then just because you're smelling good, you look good, you're smelling fresh, you're smelling clean. So people are going to even be admiring you and be asking you what are you doing. So let me tell you how you can do this. So you can get a very good, or let's say a perfume that is nice, that smells expensive, even though it's not expensive. When you come out, before you rub your lotion, just spray it all over your body. A lot of people prefer to spray perfumes on their body than deodorant, because deodorant has aluminum, which can give cancer, and because it's closer to the bust area, it can cause breast cancer. But which is why I made in this channel, I showed you guys how to make your own natural deodorant. That natural deodorant, it doesn't really last like 24 hours, but it does work. It smells amazing, and it holds your sweat. Even when you're sweating, like when you start sweating a bit, you won't sweat much, but when you start sweating, you don't smell, because it's very nice and it's very amazing. Like try and create your own deodorant, your own natural deodorant. So what you do is, as soon as you come out from the shower, spray your whole body and then rub your lotion. Then you can spray your body again with your perfume, because it tends to last longer. Perfume tends to last longer than deodorant in the body. Yes, it does tend to last really, really long. So also another thing you should get is oil perfumes, because I have a whole lot of oil perfumes. See, when it comes to perfumes, first of all, I'm not someone that like something that is harsh. I'm not a harsh, like, there are some perfumes that people spray. The next minute I'm sneezing, I'm coughing. So I'm not a harsh perfume kind of girl. I like something that is very mild. Even when it comes to oil perfumes or normal regular perfumes that I will buy, or even deodorants or anything, I just love my things very, very, very mild. So that's me, because I know it makes me sneeze, it makes me cough and uncomfortable. Also, there are body mists that are actually very nice. You can use it as well all over your body before you wear your dress and all. So yeah, that perfumes, then body mist. So I've told you guys how you can spray your perfume on your body and you'll be smelling nice, because it's smelling really great. And also for the oil perfumes, there are some you can mix in your lotion if you don't have lotion that has scent. There are some lotions that have very good scent. I think something secret, Avon as well, they have this body scent that when you come out of the shower, you just rub. And that perfume, like the lotion sticks with you when you're going out. You smell very nice, very amazing. So they stick with you. Most people here want something that will bleach them, and those people that produce all these nice lotion that makes you smell good don't produce things to bleach or whiten your skin. So if you're looking for that, no. So what you can do is your oil perfume, add just a very little bit in your body. You can separate them, just separate little, like okay, when you're going out, you're going to rub this on your body. So you add your oil perfume in that lotion, mix very well, and then use on your body. And then spray your perfume on your body and also on your clothes. Okay? So invest more in homemade deodorant. Homemade deodorant is absolutely amazing. It doesn't smell like, then you can control the scent you want or how you want to smell, and you know the ingredients that are in there, and there is nothing like aluminum in there, so you know it's safe. And then there are some things you can take to purify the inside, like, so that these are things that can remove odor from the body, and they can be either supplement or water like chlorophyll, sickle cell. I told you guys about sickle cell. No, there is a medication that contains chlorophyll. There's a medication that is probiotic as well. So there is a probiotic for feminine that is called feminine protection probiotic. You can go to any pharmacy like Safari or any big pharmacy, they have it there. And then it helps to deal with the under part for those that always have smell in their under part area. You get what I mean? This does help. Or chlorophyll tablet or the water. It's very good for you. It cleanses the body and then makes odor to leave. So you're treating from the inside while you're doing great job on the outside. And make sure you keep down there clean, your under boobs clean, your armpit clean. Make sure it's always clean. Parts dry. Make sure they are dried always to prevent odor. This odor is built up by bacteria. The sweat build up bacteria and then that creates odor. So you don't want that. So make sure everywhere is clean, everywhere smells fresh, everywhere smells clean. Trust me, if you do this, you get used to it. And then when you go out, a lot of people are going to be like, there's that attention, there is that confidence and all that. Yes, there's some people you see and this person looks really neat, and you go near them and they smell like fire, they smell so well. So this is one of the secrets they actually do. So try it and thank me later. I love you guys. Don't forget to like, share, subscribe, turn on your notification bell so you'll be the first to know whenever I upload a video. I love you guys, and I'll see you guys in my next video. Peace. So I also forgot to say, don't forget to steam once a month down there, especially after your period. There are some steaming herbs you can get that you can use. What you just need to do is boil water and add this herbs in there and just squirt. Don't let it burn you. You just need the steam going in there to clear out things that are not supposed to be there and make it fresh and free of odor. So yeah, guys.